Another example how to fit a garage door into a low ceiling garage. This garage door is 8 foot tall. I got 8'2" ceiling, so actually it's 9 feet to make this thing work. So what I did was I cut a section out of the rail. I just cut it here and there and moved the rail forward, and that dropped my rail down. That dropped my rail down 6 inches. I still need another 4. So what I did with that, I had one truss that was a problem. You need to make sure when you do your cuts, make sure your two cuts at the same angle, so you can butt weld it nice and tight there. Okay, with my problem truss, what I did, I got two 12-foot 2x4s. I mounted it about 2 inches above the existing truss. I screwed it and liquid nailed it together at the top there. I did the same thing at the center. I put a 2x4 on this side and I put a 2x4 on the opposite side. And then I cut my truss. So that 12-foot board overlapped the center of my truss by 2 feet on each side. Do the same thing on the other side. And that gave me another 4 to 5 inches, so I got my 6 inches from changing the rail, 5, almost 5.5, changing the truss. Got my almost 10 inches that I needed. Show you how it rolls up. Doesn't roll up as smooth as a regular door with its regular curve, but it does roll up and down. Another option besides the double rail and the hinged roller.